StarDate 73463.5. The final airbrushing stages have been completed, and now we can continue setting up the upper saucer section and complete the rest of the wiring. That's all coming on right now. Okay folks, we're back getting ready to do the first airbrushing of the Aztec masking on the bottom part of the ship, and then once that's dry we'll do the top portion and we'll be done with the airbrushing. So here goes. Okay, first coat is on. We'll let that thing dry for a couple hours and we'll be right back. And we're back. Well, the final process of the airbrushing has been completed, and I've assembled the upper section of the saucer and the neck assembly and tested all of the circuits, and everything's working well. For being my first time putting one of these together, I will say on a scale of 1 to 10, this was a 15 pain in the neck. But I had a lot of fun and I learned a lot of things of what not to do when I get ready to do the refit version of this model. So let's just go around and look and see what I've done so far. This is a top view of the salsa section and the painted parts. I still got some work to do on the nacelles. And now here's the bottom view of the saucer section, the neck assembly, and the rest of the body with all the airbrushing completed. And I must say I'm pretty pleased with the results. Let's just turn on the lights so you can see how it looks lit up. Everything seems to be working fine still, even after gluing the parts together with all the electrical and stuff completed. I still got to do some work in the hanger and finish up the sausage section, and then we'll be almost done with this build. That about wraps it up for this update. We'll see you around next time.